Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today I want to show you these mini spring twists and this regular sized spring twist. I also want to show you how I got the extended length. Like, this is the spring twist here, this is the regular size of the twist, and these ones right here, it's the extended length. See, like, this is the actual size of the twist. Now this here, extended length, see the difference. I'm going to be showing you how I got this done. Nothing was cut, I just had to like manipulate the hair to make it longer. This is how the hair came. This is the actual length. This is the actual length you get with this twisted in half, and this is what you get when you have it extended. See, super duper long. Okay, now I just pulled I just pulled all of them out. Okay, on the right here are the regular sized ones, and these ones I'm holding on my left hand are the mini sized ones. Hold on a second and I'll be showing you how I got this done. I gotta put this back right now. Okay, so for the sake of time, I decided not to hang all of the twists that fell back on the rod. I just stuck a rubber band on them now, as you can see, and I'll just put it right back here. So need I mention, this is what the old pack looks like. Okay, don't fall, it fell already. This is the old pack of the hair. The hair is like 8 inches, so it says, but as you can see, you can make this work for longer than, you can make this work longer than 8 inches. This is how the old pack came, and this is 30 pieces in each pack, 30 pieces. And you see what this one's on the right here, these regular sized ones. This is the old pack twisted. This is one pack like this gave me this, one pack like this gave me this. And you see all of these ones on the left too is almost one pack of this. I have just, let me see, 1, 2, I think I have this 4 pieces, so there's 30 pieces. This is 30 pieces here. This 30 pieces of one pack is this one on my right, and of this 30 pieces of another pack, let me take out 4. When I take out 4, that's 26 pieces. This is 26 pieces here on my left. I'm going to show you how I did all of this. And so to begin, let me start with how I twisted the regular ones. Now this, I did not cut the hair in half. No, this is not, this is a shorter length, but it's not because I cut the hair in half. If I did cut the hair in half, you probably get a shorter length than this. Let me start by showing you how I did this short ones. See, side by side. So let me just put this aside so we have room over here to do this. I'm going to start with this short one, how I did this. So keep watching. Let me put this right here. I'm going to go through all 3 of them. I'm going to do this ones, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this, so you can see the difference. So how I did these ones right here is this. I pick up one spring twist here. I pick up one spring twist here. Remember, this is the one I'm doing. I pick up one spring twist here. I pull it. I split the hair in half. So 1, 2. The hair has been split in half. So what I do is, if you're doing this directly on your head, you're just gonna like split this again in 2 and like fold. And then now that you have 3 pieces, you're gonna start off a braid on your head, like 3 pieces. Start off. Then once you've braided like a decent length, maybe past your natural hair, or maybe just a couple of inches down, you begin to twist. So, but since I'm not braiding it, I'm just going to start twisting straight up. 1, 2, twist, twist, twist. I have a number of videos talking about how I do this. I'm not twisting too loose and I'm not twisting too tight, and for it took me a long time to understand the left or right thing. So as it's where I am twisting to the right. Let me move this way, see. It's like right over right, right over right, right over right. Then I'm going to be twisting all the way down. Some people like to put products in, but I'm not really big on putting different products in synthetic hair. So for this particular style, I won't be using any products. Maybe if I was braiding directly on my head, I could use some shine and jam or beeswax, whichever one works. But for this, no product, no sprays, nothing. So I'm just gonna twist all the way down. See how it's going. You twist all the way down, and straggly end, snip off. You see the length? That's how you got it. How you do this is by picking one piece. Careful. Pick one piece of hair. Pick one piece of hair, fluff it out, split in two, and fold in half. Remember, I folded this evenly in half. So that's it for this short one. Now for this long one, I'm gonna start again. For this long one, for the mini one in the long length, for the mini twist in a long length, this is what I do. I got this idea from Tokyo. She was like, I wasn't even thinking like, oh, okay, it actually works. So you know, sometimes you can't think of everything. So for these mini ones, I split the hair also. It's just the same. It's the same splitting as this first one I did, but you'll see the difference now. So I split the hair in two. That's 1 and 2. So from one twist now, just like with the other one, because the first one I got 2 twists, I'll get 2 twists from the piece of hair. Now for this one too, one piece of hair gives me this 2 twists. It's only thinner in the sense that you see. So when I take that half piece, I split it in half again. So instead of folding this together evenly, you see that this is even, like 1 2 1 2 evenly. You see that it's even. So because it's evenly folded, when I twist, the twist comes out bigger. But for this length, because I'm trying to extend the length, I'm not going to be folding evenly. No, like I'm trying to braid on the head, just fold the tips together. 1 2, just fold about an inch in. 1, you see now this is longer on this side, it's longer on this side. What this does now is you're gonna get your long length, but you are gonna be sacrificing some, what's the word, thickness. You're gonna sacrifice some thickness. Now that's the difference between this and this. I'm still gonna show you how I did this one. So now that it's been folded like this, then I begin to twist. Remember, if you're doing this, it's better you braid. Make sure so that this short part is braided in before you begin to twist. But I'm not braiding, so I'm going to be twisting straight. So I twist. Now I have it twisted all the way down. See? That's how you get your long length. You see it's thinner. These are the same size, but they are thinner than these ones on this side. See? Now I'm just gonna quickly show how I did. Let me put the split hair aside. Now I'm quickly gonna show how I did these chunky ones. Now for these chunky ones, remember this is an opaque twisted, like an opaque like this twisted. This is 30 pieces, this is 30 pieces twisted over here. So how we do this ones, you know, it's a preference thing. You pick the size you want, whatever works for you. I just decided to do both so I can show both, but I'm going to be putting both on I'm going to mix up both the small ones and the big ones, like you see. So for this size now, I'm not going to split this hair enough. I'm just going to stretch it just to cut down our frizz. And always remember to split the hair from the middle. Don't try and split from the ends. No, always split hair from the middle. See, now it's been split in two. Like I said, this one piece is gonna do one twist. I'm not putting one side aside. I'm not putting one half aside. Now this is the whole piece of hair in two. I take the two ends, fold them the way I folded the mini one. Remember, we're just going for an extended length here. Now because this is a whole piece of hair, you can see it's bigger. Invariably your twists are going to be bigger. That's how these were done. So let me start. Twist. Let me come this way. See? There you have it. The mini twist right here, the regular sized ones right here. You make your pick whichever way you want it. If you want your twist thinner and longer, you know what to do. If you want them kind of chunkier, you know what to do. If you want them even bigger than this, you know what to do. You just have to add more hair. It's all about knowing how to use the hair. And that's it, and thanks for watching the video.